How's it going, guys? My name is Drew. I am the guitar player in Home Sweet Homies, and this is a video on how to play Keep Running. The heavens up. First it starts on the E, and you're gonna go 7, 7, 5, 7, and then 5th fret on the D string, then back to the A string, 7, 5. So the pattern goes like that. Then that same pattern, but starting on the 7th fret on the E string, pass through the 6th fret. Then you're going to play this line, it's on the 5th fret and the 3rd fret. Pass through the 5th fret A string. So you're going to play power chords for the whole chorus. You're going to switch to your rock and roll bridge pickup. And if you haven't played a power chord before, they're very easy. Starts on the 7th fret on the A string, the 9th fret on the D string, and the 9th fret on the G string. 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 10, 9, 7, 5. And then you're going to switch to the B string and play power chords again, starting on the 7th fret. 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 3. Pass through the 5th fret on the A string, back to the 7. Then you're going to play a diminished chord on the F sharp, which goes like this. 9th fret on the A string, 10th fret on the D string, 11th fret on the G string. So why don't we all try playing this together? 1, 2, 3, 4. I would say that was executed with about 98% accuracy. Good work, everybody. So to break that down, you're first going to play a E power chord in the open position. So that is open E, 2 and 2 on the A and D string. So that sounds like this. And then you're going to do this muted line 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to follow that up with two more hits on the E power chord. And you're going to slide all the way up to the high G, which is on the 10th fret on the A string. And you're going to walk down 10, 9, 7. And when you get to the 7, you're going to play it open with some vibrato, which is a fancy musical term for wobbling the note about. Get it right on your first attempt, like everyone here is going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting on the 12th fret on the G string. Now I'm going to play this slowly. You're going to slide up to the 16th, 14th, 12th, 11th. Then you're going to go to the 12th fret on the D string and play the same thing. Then you're going to go to the 10th fret and you're going to switch to the 10th and 9th. 11th on the G string, back to the 12th, up to the 15th. Why don't we all play that line together? 1, 2, 3, 4. If these guys can do it, then so can you.
Did you learn anything?
I learned that I have new respect for our guitarist.
I learned that I am not a guitarist.
I could take this job easy.
Whoa!
I'm a left-handed bassist, so this is a right-handed guitar.
And I learned along with you how to play the song because before 20 minutes ago, I forgot. Is that how the intro actually goes?
He's really listening to it. It goes on song.
I'm gonna do it again because I played it wrong. I realized I don't know how to play the song. Let's try that again. Let's play the chorus right.
You're wrong.
Alright, here we go.